Having shown you the most important advanced competitive figures, the linking figures to build your groups, we would like to show you now the figures that have been called by special names. And the first one is in the quick step, the pendulum points. We commence this figure in promenade position with our slow teaching count. Ready? And slow and slow and slow and quick, slow, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, slow and quick, slow. We break down this figure to show the first part, which is 3-step hop actions, turning to the right. And slow and slow and slow and. Now an outside lock step on the left side and quick and quick. 2 slow pendulum actions. Slow, slow. 4 quick pendulum actions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the Pepperpot ending from promenade position. Slow and quick, slow.